Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Juno and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be going over how to improve your Psylocke aim on controller. I get a lot of questions about how I go about improving my aim and keeping my aim consistent, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys 3 tips or giving you guys 3 pieces of advice on how to improve your aim. Okay, so for the first tip, I'm going to be going over your eye gaze targeting dead zone. Now, with your eye gaze targeting dead zone, number 1, you want to have these numbers at the exact same thing. You want to have your minimum and your maximum both at the same number. Number 2, bump this number as low as possible until you start getting stick drift. Once you start getting stick drift, bump it up like 1 or 2 more until the stick drift stops, and then keep it at that number, and that right there is the perfect eye gaze dead zone for you. And a lot of you might be like curious on why you should keep these numbers at the exact same thing, because prior to this video, if you saw my last settings video, I had this at 1 and then I had my maximum at 5, but recently I have turned it down to 1, and I did notice a bit of like a more responsive feel in my controller, in my aim. So I do recommend keeping these numbers at the exact same thing because your aim will improve. It's more responsive, it feels like way more smooth and consistent. Trust me on this, you want to keep these at the same number. For the second tip, I'm going to advise that everyone watching this video swaps their aim assist from classic to new. Now, hear me out. So if you didn't know already, Marvel Rivals added a new aim assist type with the addition of Season 9. So now there are 2 different types of aim assist. There's classic and there's new. I'm just going to be completely blunt when I am saying this. New aim assist is 100 times better than the classic aim assist, okay? If you are not playing on the new aim assist, you are holding yourself back. The new aim assist is way better. It's way more consistent. It literally aims for you at times. I'm not even trolling. This new aim assist is way better than the classic. Trust me on this. When you first swap, it's going to feel weird though, because I did feel weird for like a bit, like a couple days when I first swapped. My aim did feel a bit weird, but once you get used to this, you are going to thank me. Trust me. The new aim assist is way better. Everybody should be playing on the new aim assist. For my last piece of advice, I'm going to be going over sensitivity. So basically, when you have a sensitivity for Psylocke or Hela or any character, you need to keep that sensitivity the same as long as possible. I know way too many people who constantly change their sensitivity almost every week, and that is like terrible for your aim. Your aim will never improve if you're changing your sensitivity every few days. What you need to do is find a sensitivity and stick to it. Find a sensitivity that you like and just keep it and stick to it. Do not change it. If you need my settings, here they are: 220, 220, dual zone, 1170, 30 response time, 5 window, and 5 ease in, and 100% aim assist strength. And I don't use close range aim assist. Whatever you do, find the sensitivity and stick to it. Trust me, changing your sensitivity all the time is going to be detrimental to your aim. Trust me on this. You want to keep the same sensitivity as long as possible. And for my final piece of advice, it is going to be to practice. Whatever you do, if you have to go into the practice range and shoot bots for a bit before you queue up for comp, whatever it takes, just practice your aim. Play the game. That is the only way your aim is going to improve. And another thing about practicing is to keep your practice consistent, which is why I'm telling you to not change your sensitivity every week, because once you keep practicing on the same sensitivity, you'll gain muscle memory and you'll get used to that sensitivity, and that will in turn improve your aim. Now, with that being said, I'm going to leave you guys with a gameplay of me having an MVP game on Psylocke. I dropped about 24 finals, so it was a pretty decent game. I've had better games, but you know, I don't know. But anyways, I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support y'all been showing on my channel. It genuinely means the world to me, and I cannot thank you guys enough. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace, safety, love you all.
What a disgrace.
Spotted another jerk! Behold the god of darkness!
There's friends up there.
What a difference.
Face oblivion! Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
We're finding our groove.
By the eye of Agamotto!
A nice deep freeze. Disappears! Hits the ground! What a difference. Not even a great Oni could stop this hero. Step aside. Sayonara. I love mind games. Double KO! You're mine! The enemy has arrived.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
I'm never controlled.
You're amazing. Wish I could do what you do.
Here they come now.
I like the cool.
Your day ends.
That's it. Don't let anything stand in your way. Double KO. You need me.
You lose, Steve.
It's clobbering time!
My healing factor can't keep up.
Psionic link.
Face oblivion!
Hits the grand finale.
I wish to depart this city for more rarely like racing spiders. Show the way.
A nice deep freeze.
Sexy and we oh, that's my favorite combos.
The current score is 3-2-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on.
Well, who had we here?
Look at this jerk. Whoa, with this, eh?
I suck. Need some help.
Got a spell.
I love mind things. That's better.
Lost and beautiful, baby.
Nice deep freeze. He's stuck in their tracks.
Armed and dangerous! Again! Again!
Better stop that vehicle.
Out of sight.
I am ready to put on a show.
This will confuse them. Healing magic.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man! Spider-Man! Behold the god of thunder!
Sexy and lethal. Oh, that's my favorite combo sign.
I'm hulking!
You'll want to protect your rear.
A nice deep freeze.
That's better.
That one hurt. It's the grand finale.
Out of sight. Healing magic. Lovely.
Face oblivion!
What a disgrace.
Double KO.
Sexy and lethal. Oh, that's my favorite combo sign.
You need me. You're amazing. I wish I could do it with you.
Not taking much damage.
You stopped them in their tracks. I'm hurt.
Psionic Ring.
Armed and dangerous! My favorite time!
Step aside.
Gotta fly.
Only 60 seconds left.
Yes.
You stopped them in their tracks.
What a difference.
Healing factor can't keep up. How about an assist?
Down to 30 seconds.
Beholds the god of thunder!
Farewell.
The final 10 seconds.
So by letting me get that
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man! My favorite time!
Double KO. That's 3.
Come to this great force only.
Final score. 3, 2, 1.